Science Mom, and today we have special guest. And we are going to be making bags explode. Alright, so for our experiment today, because things could possibly be exploding, you definitely want to make sure that you have some parental supervision. Also, when it's time for things to start exploding, you want to make sure that your bags are either in the sink or that you take them outside, so that way you don't have a big giant mess all over your kitchen. Alright, let's handle the materials that we're going to need for our experiment today. So we need some white vinegar. We need a bowl of hot water. So not hot as boiling, but definitely pretty warm. We need some baking soda. You need a 1/2 cup measuring cup, a 1/4 cup measuring cup, a tablespoon, 2 snack size baggies, or any size baggie, whatever you would like to use is fine. 2 tissues, either Kleenex or tissue paper is fine. And you're welcome. And if you would like to make it colorful and fun, please feel free to add some food coloring. Any colors are fine, doesn't matter. Alright, so what we're going to do first is we're actually going to start with our baking soda. So you want to take your baking soda and you want to put 3 tablespoons onto your tissue. 1, 2,
1 more,
and 1 more, 3. Baking soda actually is pretty commonly found in all the kitchens. It's used a whole lot with baking. Some people also put it in the refrigerator and things to help absorb any odors or bad smells in the refrigerator as well, because it helps keep a nice neutral smell in the refrigerator. Awesome. Perfect. Alright, so once you have your baking soda on the napkin, you can go ahead and slide that off to the side. We will be using that later when we head outside. Now, grab our baggies. Alright. And what you want to do first, open your baggie, and you want to add a 1/4 cup of warm water. Okay, there you go.
thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, and then while Carter's getting his water, oh yeah, sorry.
It's good.
Perfect. Very good. Awesome. Now what we want to do is we want to add our vinegar. So you're going to grab your 1/2 cup measuring cup and your container of vinegar. If it's really big and kind of full, you might need adult help holding it and pouring it. I'm going to actually pour over my baggie, so in case a little bit spills, it just goes straight into the bag. Perfect. All right. Pour it into the bag. Okay. And once you've done that, go ahead and seal your bag up and set it off to the side as well. And then you need your vinegar. So. All right, here we go. You're gonna hold the spoon and I'll pour. There we go. Perfect. Put your vinegar back off to the side.
There we go.
Zip up your baggie. All right, so if you'd like to add food coloring, now would be the time. Carter's gonna add some yellow. Are you gonna do the red too? All right, perfect. He's gonna make orange with the yellow and red. Just a few drops of each color is fine. You don't need to unload an entire bottle of food coloring into the baggies. All right, I have that one, the yellow. Then you can a few drops of red. Perfect. So again, the yellow and the red will make orange, which is one of Carter's favorite colors. Perfect. All right, you can give it a little shake to have the colors mix up.
Whoa, it
All right.
totally.
We are gonna head outside. All right, so now that we are outside, we have our baggies that are sealed up. What you want to do is you do not want to open them all the way. You just want to make a small enough opening to be able to insert your tissue with the baking soda. All right, guys, now that we are outside, we are getting ready to do the fun part of the experiment. So with your baggies, you do not want to open them up all the way. You only want to open them up wide enough to insert your tissue of the baking soda. So go ahead and open your baggies. Now the key here is that as soon as you put your baking soda into the baggie, you want to seal it up immediately and step off to the side. You ready? Here. You want some help? You're good? All right. There you go. So we're going to put it in. down, drop it in, seal it up, and watch and see what happens. Good. Whoa! That just popped! Alright, let's see what's going to happen with yours. Let's watch. It's expanding. It's expanding. Let's see what's going to happen. Now get just a little bit more. Don't want to get the orange on us. Mine went fast. Right? I see yours bubbling. I see yours expanding. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Is it going to explode? Have to see. Oh, maybe. Oh, it did pop. We just didn't hear it. It did pop. It broke the seal. It popped and broke the seal. We just couldn't hear the popping like on mine. But if you can feel the bag though, it's still nice and tight a little bit from the reaction. What we're going to do is we're going to go inside and we're going to talk about the science behind it. Alright, so let's talk about the science behind our experiment. So first of all, we have vinegar and baking soda. When those two interact together, it creates a chemical reaction. You know that there's a chemical reaction occurring because you will see all of the bubbling and fizzing from or inside of the bag. When you see bubbling and fizzing, that means a gas is being released. You can also see the gas being released because the bag started inflating. It continued to inflate until there was no more space left in the bag, which then caused it to pop open. So that is the science behind it. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you had a lovely time making the bags explode. I'm the Quarantine Science Mom.
En mogen we zeggen, Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.